Sabi na naman netizen na inis kay Shubi Etrata. Sabi nga nila kaya nag-stop na kumuha ng project ang Don Bell dahil nakita nga ni Donnie na nag-aaway-away ang Don Bell fans at Shubi and Donnie fans. Dahil kung matatandaan nyo, nung March 28 ay may event na pinuntahan si Donnie or meeting kasama ang kanyang mga bosses at kasama din dito si Shubi Etrata. Haka na mukhang may project ang dalawa. Kaya nagdesisyon muna ang Don Bell para hindi ito mag-away-away. Naman sa mga ibang netizen mukhang na-inlove na si Donnie kay Shubi dahil sa pinapakita ni Shubi. Dahil talagang crush na crush niya ito. Una kung magkatrabaho ang dalawa ay lagi itong magkasama. Ano na kaya niyan ang Don Bell? Being a Don Bell fan lately feels a little different since they not as visible together. I find myself checking social media for any updates, just hoping to see even the smallest glimpse of them. Hearing that is made their last project together honestly made me really sad. Life has been taught and somehow Donnie and Bell's project and partnership brought comfort and happiness. What stood out most was how genuine they seem with each other. I understand that fame can be overwhelming and sometimes toxic. Whatever they going through, I truly hope they both find peace and clarity in their hearts. Their private lives matter and they deserve that space. Still, I'll remain big fan, quietly supporting and hoping for even the update now and then. Kahit konting update lang, okay na ako. I have watched the podcast of Spotify as a Don Bell fan. I'm really happy and peace their decision. The love team shouldn't be the source of their unhappiness as individuals. This is a very mature decision to prioritize themselves as adults, create businesses, be more creative, and improve their craft. Go Donato, Belinda, it's a blessing that you were able to come up with their decision. Kaya sabi nga ng mga netizens dito, kaya laging nababash si Shubi sa kanyang galawan. Tignan mo naman nandyan ang kanyang manliligaw pero kay Donnie Pangilinan pa rin siya nakakapit. At kung matuloy ang kanilang project, hindi kaya mag-inlawan ang dalawa dahil si Shubi ay gustong-gusto talaga niya. Nakatakot ng mga netizen baka ma-fall din si Donnie dahil lock-in minsan ang kanilang taping.